very important. I picked one vocab which is falwar. Repeat after me, falwar. Your अगर आप
Falwar.
falwar को यूज करते हो ना,
Falwar.
आप अपने 10-20 पॉइंट्स वैसे ही बढ़ा लेते हो. 10-20 मतलब इट्स नॉट पॉइंट, इट्स मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100. कैसे? Falwar basically is my verb, c'est le verbe. Emploi. What is emploi over here? Emploi. Emploi c'est-à-dire quoi?
Job.
Emploi, to,
Job.
apply. So emploi. Emploi du verbe.
अंकित एम्प्लॉय को हम जॉब नहीं कहते थे.
Emploi, see, you know what, Jivya? That is employee. Emploi. See, now for example, we have a word like that, like, we have lot of senses, right? It means यहाँ पे employ का मतलब क्या है? वो ध्यान समझना जिव्या. We can say it's job exactly, but मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? Emploi du verbe, बिल्कुल ध्यान समझना. फालवार हिंदी में क्या है? फालवार वर्ब का कार्य क्या है यहाँ पे? Is it clear to you? How we can apply the falwar verb? Is it clear to you? So we have a lot of senses. Say Claire, Jivya.
B.
Now, for example, if I will say, Jivya, what is your job over here in this session? It means you're not, it doesn't mean that you are doing work over here. It means I'm saying what is the task it may be assigned to you and you have to maybe, say Claire. So emploi du verbe. See, repeat after me, team, because now this is
Emploi du verbe.
across the language.
एम्प्लॉय
Emploi du verbe.
Emploi du verbe.
Emploi.
Falwar.
Emploi is not about only we can apply for job. Emploi basically we apply the verb of falwar. Say Claire, falwar is a very important verb. Now, for example, if you really want to speak, very good. So falwar, we have three senses of falwar. Il faut, repte après moi. Il faut.
Oh,
Il faudra, very important. You have to apply this. Il faut, il faudra, repte après moi. Il faut, il faudra,
il faut.
et il faudrait. Repte après moi. Il
faudrait.
faudrait. Say Claire, my team. So now, repte après moi. Falwar is my verb to, must, obligation. Your falwar, I created the falwar verb in three sentences. Il faut, c'est-à-dire, this is a present tense. Il faudra, c'est votre futur. Il faudrait, c'est votre conditional. Would. Say Claire, my team. Repeat after me, team. ये बहुत important है, team. Falwar is a very, very important verb. बोलो मेरे साथ आप il faut. See, if you use in English, it is very important. Don't use illustrate and photo. They say भी आप use कर सकते, you can use. अब मैं कह रहा हूं कि आप use कर सकते हो. So vous pouvez employer ce verb. Say Claire. See what I'm saying? See, understand my concept. Vous pouvez, okay. अब employee is my verb too. You can say job, employee. Employee यहाँ पे मैं क्या use कर रहा हूँ? You can use this verb. Say Claire. Vous pouvez employer. Sir, type the verb. Falwar. You can use. Team समझ आ रहा है आपको? Arjun, Amandeep ji.
Yes, sir.
Claire. See,
Yes, sir.
very important. See, employee, emploi, use. Obviously, every the more we can say it's job, but over here in the sense of language, you can use this. Vous pouvez employer, vous pouvez utiliser. This is how we can see. Now, for example, par exemple, you will say vous pouvez utiliser. Say bien utiliser is my verb to utilize, but I can say je peux dire vous pouvez employer. C'est clair, d'accord? So, emploi du verbe falloir. Now, par exemple, il faut, if you will say in present tense, it will be important, il faudra. It would be important, il faudrait. It was important. Past, il a fallu. Is it clear to you, my team? Very important. Il faut, il faudra, il faudrait, il a fallu. Say Claire, my team. Tell me yes and no.
Claire.
Claire. So, Jivya, can you explain falwar verb with 4 tenses?
Yeah. Falwar verb, the meaning of the falwar verb is to must or obligation. Pour emploi du verb falloir. Vous avez quatre verb Ketratib they were. Ketratib they. What we say sentence.
Phrase.
Okay, ketratib they phrase.
Mm-hmm.
Par exemple, la phrase première, il faut, il est, नहीं, नहीं, sorry, nous utilisons les phrases premières pour le présent, la phrase deuxième, et il faudra, nous utiliser la phrase il faudra pour le temps, pour le future.
Future, c'est très bien.
Future. Pour la phrase troisième. Troisième, nous avons utilisé. Nous avons नहीं.
Nous pouvons utiliser,
Okay.
nous
pouvons employer les phrases il faudrait pour le conditionnel,
c'est très bien,
conditionnel. Et pour la phrase quatrième, nous utilisons la phrase il a fallu.
La phrase il a fallu. Now what is that? Very, very good. Merveilleux. C'est extraordinaire. Very good.
Merci
beaucoup.
beaucoup.
Now observe. Team, observe that falloir. Now basically, votre falloir, c'est quoi? Have to. C'est clair. Falloir, c'est-à-dire quoi? To be necessary. C'est clair, my team. Falloir, c'est-à-dire quoi? Must. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, team? Now, basically, team, for example, I will say, il faut travailler, in present tense, il faut, that you have, if you say, you have to work, okay? So, il faut travailler, c'est clair. And team, utiliser le verbe falloir, premièrement. And gradually, we can move with this, you know, we have a lot of verbs. It's a kind of falloir, c'est clair. Now, for example, we have il faut que. Now, basically, team, il faut is my subjunctive also. Now, what is subjunctive? Il faut que is placed under subjunctive. Team, what is subjunctive? Now, listen to me very carefully, please. We have two types of present tense. Team, listen to me very, very carefully. We have two types of present tense. One, we have simple present tense. For example, we have verb être. Now, être. In French, repeat after me, répétez après moi. In French, répétez après moi in French, the present tense is divided into two parts. One is present and again is present, but one is subjunctive présent. Repeat after me, subjunctive présent. Repeat after me. Subjunctive présent, it means subjunctive present. See, what is subjunctive over here? Listen to me. Subjunctive is based upon your moods, your mood, your expression, obligation. When the situation is doubtful, subjunctive is based upon your mood. You know, you are sad, you are happy. And when the situation is doubtful, whenever you are not sure, in that case, we have to apply subjunctive present tense. See, one, we have a present okay tense, like we have done already. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, c'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now, yes. For example, we have subjunctive présent if my expression is coming under, my phrase is coming under expression, obligation, doubtful. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Clear? So, team, very important. Repeat after me. We have two types of, we are very important. We have two types of present tense. If my present tense is coming under the category of doubtful, if I will say, I'm not sure Jivya will come on time. So Jivya come on time. So I can say Jivya come, Vanir Vapa present. So we have a subjunctive present I will apply. I will tell you how to create subjunctive present tense, right? If I will say, I'm not sure Samantha Madam can reach on time. So I'm not sure. So this is coming under the subjunctive. Is it clear to you? If I will say, Sonata Madam, you have to do this work. You have to. Now, for example, have to is my verb to the var. Listen to me very carefully. Achha, make a sentence. You have to do this work. Simple. You have to do this work. Clear? In simple present tense, I can say tu dois. Is it clear to you? Tu dois faire. Tu dois faire. You have to do.
ये travailler.
Such ouvrage we can say. Is it clear to you? Clear? Is it clear to you? So tu dois. See over here, I'm working for the subjunctive. Now, for example, I can say tu dois faire ce travail. It means you have to do this work. Clear? Now, this is, you know, tu dois is my present tense. But over here, we have the full verb is devoir. Tell me yes and no. The full verb is devoir. Say Claire. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no, please.
Yes,
Claire,
sir.
is it clear to you? All of you.
Yes.
Yes.
But if I will use my subjunctive is come always after que. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay, now for example, if I will say it is very mandate, see, listen to me very carefully. It is mandate, I will say. It is mandate that you should do this work. बहुत ध्यान समझना है, बहुत important pattern है. This is how we can work for a TEF. Team subjunctive will come after that. That's a pet line you have, pet phrase, I will say. You have to understand. Subjunctive is come after that. Is it clear to you? Obviously, it is not. You can apply a subjunctive always after that, but your situation should be your, you have to come up with your expressions, obligation, doubtful. Now, I will say it is mandate that. So this is situation or obligation. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
See, if I will say it is mandate, so I can say il faut que. Tell me no, yes and no. Il faut que, it is mandate that. Is it clear to you, team? Il faut que, Jivya, Swata, Madam, tell me please.
Oui.
Yes, sir.
Il faut que. If I will say tu dois, ये मेरा गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ मैं प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज कर रहा हूँ, बट मुझे सबजॉन्टिव प्रेजेंट चाहिए क्योंकि il faut que is coming under the category of subjunctive. Say Claire, my team. Tell me yes and no. So team, first we have to understand what is subjunctive present tense. So devoir, what is the devoir subjunctive present? I can say que je doive, que tu doives, yes, qu'il qu'elle doive, que nous devions, que vous deviez. That why que? Because that subjunctive is always come after that. ये जरूरी है कि तुम्हें, it is mandate that is not a normal phrase, this is subjunctive phrase. Say Claire, pour cette raison vous devez appliquer, ajouter. Say Claire, subjunctive phrase. Say Claire. So il faut que tu doives. This is my see, this is my present tense, but subjunctive present tense because il faut que is my subjunctive. Que tu doives should do this work, que tu dois faire ce travail. Tell me yes and no. Is it clear to you, Jivya?
Oui.
I understand.
बट अंकित जैसे आपने दवार बताई, सिर्फ दवार का ही है ना, इसमें
No,
काफी
हाँ.
सारी वर्ब्स होंगी.
Yeah, it is only for devoir. We have être also, we have avoir also, we have exactly, we have savoir also, dire also. Say Claire. Il faut que tu dois faire ce travail. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, okay, I can say, Swata Madam, it is mandate that you can, it is mandate that you come on time. It is mandate, simple बोल रहा हूँ, it is mandate that you come on time. Say Claire. You
Il
come
faut que
on time. What is that? Il faut que. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Oui.
Il faut
Now
que.
you will say one two that Sorry, you come on time. Say Claire. Come is what? Vanir verb? Tell me yes or no. All of you.
Yes.
See why we were
Yes, sir.
doing repetition of, see, when I was not there, so Prabhat ma'am trying to explain to you the previous recording. Why? Because I want that verb conjugation has to be strong. Say Claire. So what is Vanir conjugation? Tell me.
Je viens,
viens,
tu
tu
viens,
Viens, tu
il
viens, il
vient.
vient, nous venons, vous venez, il vient. So if I will say, il faut que tu viens,
Hmm.
galat.
Hmm.
Because this is my simple present. Il faut que is my subjunctive present. So today we'll do two subjunctive, one gradually will only pick two subjunctive verbs, so that one day will come wherein, see, for example, if we'll do two subjunctive verbs, only we have measured 15, 16 subjunctive verbs, rest we have a formula, the rest of the verbs. See, now, for example, we have irregular verbs wherein we have to learn the present tense by heart. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient. Over here, again, encore, nous avons la conjugation pour subjunctive. C'est clair. Which, tu dois, c'est clair. Apprendre. Vous devez apprendre cette conjugation. C'est clair. Now, for example, what is venir? I can say que je vienne, que tu viennes, qu'il vienne, que nous venions, c'est clair, que vous veniez, qu'il vienne. C'est votre subjunctive phrase, c'est clair. Et vous devez apprendre. C'est clair. Venir, subjunctive is que je vienne, que tu viennes, qu'il vienne, que nous venions, que vous veniez, qu'il vienne. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
C'est votre conjugaison. C'est clair. So, il faut que tu, what I can say, mandate, que tu viennes. C'est clair. Vienne à l'heure, on time, à l'heure.
Allah.
Team, is it clear to you, all of you? Now you came to know what is il faut a bit, 5-6% पता लगा. Il faut का बहुत बड़ा, you know, बहुत बड़ा concept है. It's a very big concept we have. But यहाँ तक पता लगा टीम आपको, because आपको speaking करनी है, आपको writing करनी है. So this thing has to be strong. Is it clear to you, team? Amandeep ji, is it clear to you?
अंकित, मेरा ना एक छोटा सा डाउट है.
Yes,
ये
बोलो
पूरी
आप.
चीज तो समझ में आ गई. जो ये ना इला फालू का मतलब क्या होता है?
It took. It, मैं बोलूं कि it took like, हम बोलते हैं इला फालू का ना, बहुत इला फालू समझाऊंगा आपको मैं. इला फालू, I can say it took. I can say इला फालू is what I would say. It was very necessary that, ये बहुत जरूरी था कि, it took me like so much of time. कुछ भी इस टाइप से, इला फालू से वो पास से कंपोज है. नेसेसरी का पास क्या बनाओगे? Now I can say it was required that, it was required. What is required? Requisite. So आप क्या बोलोगे? No, इला फालू का simple. It was required that because that faluar verb, इला फालू. C'est clair.
Okay.
Then we have a subjunctive. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Like il faut is it is necessary.
It is
faudra
necessary, present tense. Il faudra we have, it will be required, it will be important, it would be important, il faudrait, il a fallu, it was required. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, Jivya?
Yes.
Jivya, we have a lot of concept over here, but obviously every demo, gradually, okay, we will continue with this. C'est clair. D'accord? Now, who the survey, il y a des phrases qui sont très, très différentes. C'est clair. Now, par exemple, il y a des phrases pour désirer, par exemple. Désirer via vouloir verb. So, obviously, je veux, tu veux, but exactement, subjunctive, c'est différent. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? But today, what we have done two type of present tense. One is devoir. Tell me devoir subjunctive. Tell me devoir subjunctive. बोलो que je doive, que tu doives, qu'il doive, que nous devions, que vous deviez, qu'il doive. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair.
No.
D'accord? Now ici, par exemple, venir, que je vienne, que tu viennes, qu'il vienne, que nous venions, que vous veniez, qu'il vienne. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? क्लैर,
Yes.
दाकोर, क्लियर? बच्चों इस पैटर्न समझ आया आपको? टेल मी यस एंड नो।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
Yes.
इस पे हम कल एक काम करेंगे, इसमें हम बहुत सारे मैं आपको ना फ्रेजेस लगाने सिखाऊंगा आपको सबजॉन्टिव के, सो दैट कि आपका एक बार सबजॉन्टिव क्लियर हो गया ना, देन नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू। से क्लियर? कल विल वर्क ऑन सबजॉन्टिव। मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए आज वाला बच्चों जो मैंने कराया ये वाला?
Please एक बार भेज देना अंकित, थोड़ा
Oui,
सा
oui.
हेल्प हो जाएगी।
Okay, I will share the recording बच्चों। Okay, watch this recording and send me your project. Say clear बच्चों? Okay.
सर आप जो कह रहे हैं कि 15-16 जो होती हैं ये
हाँ,
सबजॉन्टिव में
बट
verb,
नहीं सबजॉन्टिव के
इनका
सारी
कोई
वर्ब्स हैं। नो 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 नो, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज सबजॉन्टिव सारी वर्ब का होता है, लेकिन इररेगुलर वर्ब्स कितनी है? 15 16 है ना, वो आपको सिर्फ लर्न करनी है, बाकी के फॉर्मूलेज हैं सबजॉन्टिव के, बहुत सिंपल। से क्लियर?
ठीक है सर। सर अगर उसका कोई लेक्चर हो तो आप हमें भेज दीजिएगा, हम करेंगे एक बार ना।
चलो मैं
राइट डाउन
सबजॉन्टिव का लेक्चर है मेरा, आई विल शेयर इट विद यू। ये वाला आप देखना, मैं एक बार फिल्टर करता हूँ, होगा आई एम श्योर। क्लियर?
ठीक।
चलो ओके, और वाह टीम आप क्या
Au revoir, bonne nuit.
कौन हुई?